Hey, Kiki. Kiki. En Rocky. En Taya.
Moet ik Rocky in de mouw filmen?
Ja. Rocky.
Doe gewoon bij het balin. Startjep. Ja, go! Hey, Tijger. Hoe komt zo daar weg?
Hey, Juke.
Afjoeken ze maar. Waar is Rocky geschild? Wat? Dit is een leuke... Alle rakkies en de ruimers en takkies maaien oerauwien. Bonnies. Dat is lekker. Bonnies in de feest.
I'm walking outside with the dogs over there, and it's moon verduistering. So cool. Juke. Hey. I don't see anything. Yes. Hey, Juke. Kiki. And about, well, 20 minutes ago, there was a full verduistering and the moon was red, but it was too cloudy, so I couldn't see it. About half an hour later, almost back to normal. Sissy. Hey. Hello. Yes, I can hold my phone with my right hand, but not for long. Last night, yesterday evening, Sissy was here. Hello? Dolly? Don't do that. She don't dare out of the stable. I don't know why. Maybe afraid of the horses, but they are just inside. I don't know why. Hey, Dolly. I still have the problem with my arm, and it's from last week, I think 5 days now, and in 7 days it can go off, but I can't do a lot with my right hand. So I going to groom Rijntje or something. Hey, Rocky. Hey. Hey. I think that's safer. Yes. Goed zo, Rijntje. Taya, Elvis, Sally, Rijntje, Dolly, and Risey with this beautiful sky. Whoa. Jongen. Hey Dolly. Goed zo. Hey, braaf. Goed zo. No, don't bite me. Hey, Rocky. Rocky. Whoa. There, in the back. Oh. Een Ray. I don't see him anymore. Ew. And the ponies can walk over there again. Peach, Spidey, Daisy, and Glendy. It finally starts raining again. Sally, Tyrone, Risey en Elvis. En Rijntje en Dolly. Blomke, Belle, Boukje en Yveske. Hey. Rijntje en Dolly. Sally en Elvis. En Risey and Tyrone. And last night they were inside because yesterday it rained a lot. So, hey, hi Dolly. Maybe I have something. Yes. And Glendy, Spidey, Peach, and Daisy. And yesterday, someone was here who is interested in Spidey. So maybe they're going to buy him. And we shall see. Oh, sorry, Spidey. But I can't keep all the horses and ponies. So I thought Spidey was the one who can make someone very happy. Okay, I'm in the house. I'm editing. And over there is a filly lying for about 10 minutes now. And this morning, all 4 of them were standing. So hopefully she's asleep, but I'm very worried about it. Oh. Come on. Hop, 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 hop. Yes. Oh. Yes. She was moving. Yes. Four of them. Finally. I had to pick up my children, so I couldn't go there. And now I'm back, and there are 4. Yes. Tije, Belja, Luus en Adeline. Kom maar. Ze doren net. Kom Adeline. Kom maar. Kom.
Kom maar.
Belja en Duits. Risey and Elvis. First I thought, who is the foal? But I can see. It's Elvis, the colt. And Sally and Tyrone. Risey en Tyrone. Hey Kiki. Hallo. Tyrone. And I gave some pellets. Risey. Elvis. Sally. Dolly. Hey. Rijntje.